Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 30i and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the not very bottom but to the very top actually to find my phone. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and it is right here as you can see. So all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system option. Here let's scroll down and enter the developer options. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can enable the strict mode. Here we can simulate color space, show view updates, change the window animation scale, show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking because we've got the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi options, etc. So quite a lot of features. And basically everything works the same just like in the regular settings, so turn on the feature just by tapping on the switcher on it. As you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, simply go to the, or actually you do not have to go to the very top of the list, because as you can see, we are looking for this option and it is pinned to the top of the screen kind of. So simply tap on this switcher. Most of the options will be inactive right here, and after getting back, the developer options should disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.